Hey everyone, and welcome to my today's video where I am going to give you high profitable, low competitive coloring book. So guys, if you are looking my videos in the very first time, please do subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell icon so I can actually share my videos. You can get notification, and please share my videos with your friends and family whoever is interested in passive income. So let's go Amazon KDP Marketplace, and our today niche is you fucking got this. So here the results only shows 177. So obviously this is a best niche. So you will work fucking got this motivation Sawyer word coloring book. Sawyer word coloring book. So we can check trademark and copyright. Here BSR rank is 202. So this is a very good. When you select a coloring book, I personally request you have to check out trademark, and then when you find out not trademark or copyright, then you work this book. No trace records are found, so this is fully safe. You fucking got this motivation swear words coloring book, and we can check out the income rate of this book. 202 book. Now calculate. Wow, per day sales 424 and per month sales 6,355. So obviously this is a very good niche, and when you find out a product, when you find out a profitable niche, then you can check out trademark and copyright in best way. So personally I think this is a really good niche to get into. And as I say, if you choose your keywords correctly and you are able to rank for sub niche with this main niche, okay, so you can create good manuscript, good quality cover, then you can earn more revenue from this book. So if you have liked my video, please do subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell icon. So thank you so much. Thank you all.